Hi friends, welcome on my channel. Oh, so today I'm going to write a 9 program. The program name will be regular Pentagon. So this is a 9 program, that's why I mention it. Okay. The first I would like to explain about the formula. What will be the formula for regular Pentagon? Area of regular Pentagon. So area of regular Pentagon formula is 5 by 4 a square is cotangent pi by 5. So a square S is nothing but this is a side of pentagon. Cotangent pi by 5. This is the area of regular pentagon. This is a complex calculation. For that's why I will use cotangent pi by 5 value directly. Okay, so because I am avoiding complex calculation. Okay, so what will the value for cotangent pi by 5? The value of 1.3768. This is the value of cotangent pi by 5. So first I am going to write code. So first I will write scanner class. Scanner equal to new scanner system dot in. Okay, okay. Now what I will do, system dot out dot print print enter the length of regular pentagon regular pentagon length of one side one one side regular pentagon regular one side of. Okay, this is the text message only, or it user will can read it. And this is this text message. Okay, so now what I will do, I will take a double type of variable. So the variable name will be like side equal to scanner dot next level. Okay, now what I will do, I will take another variable. The variable name is area equal to 5.0 divided by 4.0. This is a decimal calculation, that's why. Okay, so now what I will do, math dot power. Okay, this is the method. Okay, now I will remove the side, I will give a 2. Okay, now into I will use cotangent value. Okay, so I will like copy and paste here, semicolon. Now I'm going to print whatever sound will come that. Okay, now the area of regular pentagon. Okay, now scroll. Okay, now save it and run it. So as a user, I'm giving the 3 input. Okay, 3.0. Okay, so now we can see it. The area of regular pentagon 15.48. So this is the correct output. Okay, so if you guys didn't watch the previous video, so you can guys, I this is my suggestion, you can watch that videos as well, and this video also. Thank you guys.